The air crackled with energy, a palpable sense of anticipation hanging over the city. A symphony of clangs and roars echoed across the sprawling construction site, a testament to the relentless progress being made. Towering cranes, steel giants against the urban backdrop, swung massive beams into place with precision and grace. These mechanical behemoths were the backbone of the city's transformation. Welders showered sparks like fiery rain, their torches blazing trails of light in the early morning mist. Each spark was a mark of progress, a step closer to the city's new skyline. Hundreds of workers, a tireless ballet of hard hats and high-vis vests, moved with purpose. Their coordinated efforts were a dance of determination and skill, each movement contributing to the grand vision. A new skyscraper was rising, a testament to human ambition and grit. This towering structure was more than just steel and concrete. It was a symbol of the city's future, a beacon of progress. Each day brought visible progress, a concrete and steel tribute to their sweat and toil. The building grew taller, inch by inch, a physical manifestation of their hard work and dedication. The city held its breath, anticipating the majestic structure that would soon grace its skyline. This new addition would not only redefine the city's silhouette, but also inspire its inhabitants, a reminder of what can be achieved through collective effort and vision. But beneath the surface of this impressive endeavor lurked a silent threat. The construction site, bustling with activity and progress, hid a dark secret. The very structures that promised growth and development were being built on a foundation of negligence. Safety regulations, the very lifeblood of such a hazardous environment, were often overlooked, treated as inconvenient obstacles to progress. These rules, designed to protect lives, were seen as mere formalities, easily bypassed in the rush to meet deadlines. The pressure to meet deadlines, the relentless drive for efficiency, had slowly eroded the culture of safety. Workers moved with haste, their focus on speed rather than caution. Managers, driven by the ticking clock, pushed for faster results, often at the expense of thoroughness. Inspections were rushed, warnings ignored. The very processes meant to ensure safety were reduced to mere formalities. Checklists were glanced at, not scrutinized. Warning signs, meant to alert and protect, were overlooked, blending into the background of the busy site. A sense of complacency had settled in, a dangerous fog that obscured the very real risks present in every corner of the site. Workers familiar with the environment moved with a false sense of security, unaware of the lurking dangers masked by their routine. The workers, hardened by years of experience, had grown accustomed to the dangers, their senses dulled to the ever-present potential for disaster. Their casual demeanor, a stark contrast to the perilous environment, spoke volumes of the silent threat that had become an accepted part of their daily lives. The shadows of neglect loomed large, casting a dark pall over the promise of progress. Then it happened. A sharp metallic crack split the air, echoing across the site like a gunshot. High above, a crane carrying a load of steel beams shuddered violently. The cable, weakened by unseen wear and tear, had finally given way. The massive load, suspended precariously in the air, swayed for a moment, held only by the frayed threads of the failing cable. On the ground, workers stopped, their eyes drawn instinctively to the ominous sight unfolding above them. A collective gasp rippled through the site as the cable snapped completely. For a heartbeat, there was silence. Then, with a deafening roar, the steel beams plummeted towards the earth. Workers scattered, their screams swallowed by the chaos. Dust and debris filled the air as the beams crashed onto the concrete below, missing a group of workers by mere feet. The ground shook with the impact, sending shock waves through the entire site. The deafening noise of progress had been replaced by the chilling sound of disaster narrowly averted. Section 5. The investigation begins. The immediate aftermath was a blur of activity. Emergency responders swarmed the site, sirens wailing. The injured, thankfully few, were swiftly treated, their injuries a stark reminder of what could have been. The site was shut down immediately, the once bustling hive of activity now eerily silent. An investigation was launched, led by grim-faced officials determined to uncover the cause of the near miss. Every detail was scrutinized, every procedure reviewed. The investigation revealed a systemic failure, a culture of complacency that had allowed safety standards to slip. Section 6. A humbling reminder. The near miss served as a chilling wake-up call, a stark reminder of the fragility of life on a construction site. The incident sent shockwaves through the entire workforce, shaking them out of their complacency. The realization that they had come within inches of a catastrophe weighed heavily on their minds. The sight of the broken cable, the twisted metal, served as a constant reminder of the potential consequences of cutting corners. Section 7. New protocols, renewed vigilance. In the wake of the near miss, a wave of change swept through the construction site. New safety protocols were implemented, stricter than ever before. Every piece of equipment was rigorously inspected, every procedure reviewed and revised. Mandatory safety training programs were introduced, emphasizing the importance of personal responsibility and vigilance. The culture of complacency was systematically dismantled, replaced by a renewed focus on safety. Section 8. Every day, a safety stand down. The near miss had a profound impact on everyone involved in the project. It brought about a shift in mindset, a realization that safety could no longer be an afterthought. Daily safety briefings became the norm, a platform for open communication about potential hazards and preventative measures. Workers were empowered to speak up about concerns, their voices now heard and taken seriously. The site, once a place where risks were taken for granted, had transformed into a place where safety was paramount. Section 9. No near misses, only lessons learned. The near miss, though a harrowing experience, served as a catalyst for positive change. It was a stark reminder of the inherent risks present in construction work, where every action and decision can have significant consequences. This incident, while frightening, opened the eyes of everyone involved to the critical importance of safety protocols and the need for constant vigilance. It was a wake-up call that underscored the necessity of not just following safety guidelines, but truly understanding and internalizing them. It highlighted the importance of a proactive approach to safety, where potential hazards are identified and mitigated before they can escalate into accidents. This proactive stance involves regular safety inspections, thorough risk assessments, and a culture that encourages workers to speak up about potential dangers. By fostering an environment where safety is prioritized, the likelihood of accidents can be significantly reduced. This approach not only protects the workers but also enhances overall productivity and morale on the site. It underlined the need for continuous learning, for regular training and retraining to ensure that safety procedures are ingrained in every aspect of the work. Training sessions should be comprehensive and frequent, covering not just the basics, but also the latest safety innovations and regulations. This ongoing education helps to keep safety at the forefront of everyone's mind, ensuring that all workers are equipped with the knowledge and skills they need to stay safe. It also fosters a sense of responsibility and accountability among the workers, making them active participants in maintaining a safe work environment. Most importantly, it served as a powerful reminder that every worker deserves to return home safely at the end of the day. The ultimate goal of all these safety measures is to protect the lives and well-being of the workers. When workers know that their safety is a top priority, it not only boosts their confidence but also strengthens their commitment to following safety protocols. This commitment ensures that they can enjoy precious moments with their families, free from the fear of injury or harm. There are no near misses on a construction site, only lessons learned. Each incident, no matter how minor, is an opportunity to improve and refine safety practices. By learning from these experiences, construction sites can become safer and more efficient places to work. The commitment to safety is an ongoing journey, one that requires dedication, vigilance, and a willingness to learn and adapt. In the end, The lessons learned from near misses are invaluable, shaping a safer future for everyone involved in the construction industry.